It's been a little over a year since I got this AC and made the video for it, and since then, that video has actually become one of my most popular videos. So I wanted to give you a 1-year update and let you know if I still love it. And we're gonna do it right now. The short answer to the question is yes, I still love this thing. Since I got my kitchen done, I've been able to sit back and relax, watch some TV, catch up on some Netflix, and this thing has been awesome. It's been like 85 to 95 degrees every day for the past like 2 weeks, and this thing is coming so handy. I can set it from my phone if I'm away. I can turn it on when I'm at the store or something, so it'll be nice and cool in here when I get home. And it just works. Like I said in my original video, it is quiet and it works. 2 things that you really want in an AC. And by the way, you don't have to take my word for it that this AC is awesome. Just go to the other video, look at the comments. There's thousands. I don't delete any comments, whether they're negative, positive. Unless they're really offensive, I leave them in there, and you guys can do the same in this video. Let everybody know how this AC is, if it worked for you, if it didn't, if you had issues, if you love it. Leave a comment below so you can help everybody out. I also wanted to answer some of the most common questions or comments that I got on the video for this AC. One of them being, should I remove this for the winter or should I just leave it in place? And in my opinion, I just take it out. I took it out this year. It literally, once you install it, it literally took me 10 minutes to take out and 10 minutes to put back in when I was ready to put it in. And I just stack up all the pieces in a closet, and honestly, I used my video to put it back in just to refresh my memory. And it worked out great. One of the coolest features of this AC, of course, is that you can open and close the window while the AC is actually installed. And the most common comment, not even a question, is this won't work for sliding windows. And that is true. This is not built for sliding windows, unfortunately, because there's a piece on the bottom that has to go outside in order for this to work. And this works because you can put the foam there and bring the window down, but a sliding window will hit that piece down here. So unfortunately, no, it's not going to work for sliding windows, if you were wondering. Another common comment is that I couldn't use this because I'm on the 3rd floor or on the 8th floor and I can't install the bracket on the outside, which is not true. You can do all of the work from the inside. If you look back at my video, I went outside just to get a better camera angle to show you what the brackets look like. But you can most certainly do this just from the inside, no matter how high up you are. You wouldn't have to worry about that. This will work if you're not on the 1st floor. Some of the very few negative comments would be like, I got my AC and it just didn't work. It's really noisy, things like that. And I think that is just kind of the luck of the draw when it comes to ordering things online. Sometimes things happen. But Midea is very good about customer service. They will definitely help you out from what I'm reading in the comments. So if there's anything wrong, as soon as you get it, give them a call and hopefully they will help you out. Another common comment. You can see that my blinds don't cover the windows completely. So if there's anybody that wanted to be a creep and look through my windows, they probably could. Unless I put something up to block them. But I love this air conditioner so much that I got one for the bedroom. And as you can see, I have normal curtains, and it's pretty cool because you can just tuck them right in that channel back there and block out the windows so you get no creepy people looking in your windows. And another common question is how to change the filter. It's really simple. There's a little notch right here. You grab this, the front of the screen, and you can see I have been using this a lot, and a kitchen remodel probably doesn't help with the dust. So there's your filter. I probably shouldn't have let it go this long. Yeah, that's bad. So let's clean that. I'll show you how to clean it. To be fair, I knew I was going to be making this video, so I kind of let this go until now. So go easy on me. You could take a vacuum and try and clean this out. And that actually works really good. So I'm going to do this whole thing, and then we can rinse it and clean it with some water and soap. By the way, as you're doing this, you took the filter out this way. See the curve? This was facing the fins of the AC. This was on the outside. So this stuff is trapped on this side. So that's where you want to vacuum it. Now I got the majority of that dust off of there. So I'm gonna spray it with some all-purpose cleaner. Just gonna soak it. If this filter is really bad, you could take a brush like this and really scrub it down. I'm not gonna use this one though. That is for dishes. Now I'm gonna turn on some warm water and I'm just gonna rinse it from the opposite side. So this side goes towards the fins. I'm gonna rinse it from this side and get all that dust out. I love this new faucet. I'm gonna rinse the other side and just clean it up really good. Now you want to just dry this out, and all you have to do is let it air dry. Or if you're really impatient and trying to get a video done, you can dry it with a paper towel. Just make sure it's completely dry before you put it in and turn the AC back on. That looks pretty good. Now to put the filter back in, I also cleaned up a little bit of what was in here since I had this open. Just be careful, these fins are very sharp. And then this track right here is where the filter goes on each side. Just like that. And then just remember the way it came out. Remember this curve is going to be like this. And then clip it into those clips right there, like that. And you take the front screen that is also pretty dirty that I'm going to vacuum afterwards. And then you hook all those clips in the bottom here, just like that, and snap it back into place. And you're good to go. So to summarize, as I said in the beginning of this video, I still love this AC. It's still quiet, it's still cool, and it still works. I'm gonna leave a couple videos on the screen, here-ish and here-ish, and you can check those out, including a link to the original full installation video and review for this AC. If you don't wanna watch an AC video, click that one right there. And if you want this AC, I'll leave a link in the description over to where you can buy it, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.